Hi guys, welcome to Bavaria in HO scale. This is Gabor here, and I got another tree tutorial for you guys. And I just happened to have some grapes the other day, and I was picking off the grapes, and this is what I end up with. And I'm like, this looks like a perfect tree. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a tree out of this. So this is what we're gonna be using. I'm using this Foliage medium green, and I'm also going to be using this underbrush medium green. They're both by Woodland Scenics. And the first thing we have to do is spray glue this so everything's going to stick to it. So let's do that. So the next step is you're going to be using this foliage. It kind of looks like this. You're going to pull this apart, tear it into small pieces, and then just put it on these little branches. All over. The other side. Try to put some in the middle, like in the inside of the tree. And the top. Okay, now you're gonna spray this again, and I'm gonna sprinkle some of the leaf material on there. And the next step would be to dip this into the leaf material. Just kind of turn it around, dip it in there. You can sprinkle it on there. And now we're gonna use the spray glue again, lock it in there, and then we gotta repeat this process a couple of times. So for spraying the tree, I use Super 77. It seems to be working pretty good, if not the best. And after you dip in your tree so many times, then you can sprinkle the leaf material on there and it sticks to it really nicely, and then this is what you're gonna end up with. So just to be on the safe side, now we can use the hairspray just to lock in all the foliage so they don't fall off. Okay, so we're done. So once again, I'll show you the trees really up close. See the branches inside, not too much foliage. I think they look pretty good. So yeah, this was another video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my videos, and don't forget to share. And if you got any questions, just by all means, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you. I'll answer any questions you might have. So take care and see you next time.